Hello, this is my week 5 video essay. So this week's question was, or assignment was, to summarize the steps for muscle contraction, begin with the nerve impulse reaching the axon terminal, and end with the myosin being re-energized. So I just broke down all the steps and kind of put them into my own words, and I have my little arrows leading. Okay, so the nerve impulse reaches the axon terminal where the acetylcholine or ACT is released and travels across the synaptic cleft. That ACT binds to receptors, initiating an electrical signal to contract. Then that said signal goes through the T-tubules into a muscle cell. Then the sarcoplasmic reticulum adjacent to those tubules right there receive the signals and release calcium that's been stored in that sarcoplasmic reticulum. And that calcium that was just released then binds to troponin, making the tropomyosin and the troponin combo to move away from blocking the myosin binding site on the actin. The myosin heads that have been activated by now by the hydrolysis of the ATP bind to the actin and exert power strokes, pulling thin filament towards center of the sarcomere. Then a new ATP binds, making that myosin release from that actin, and hydrolysis of new ATP recocks myosin head for a new round, and it starts all over. And that's all the steps of a muscle contraction. And it's crazy that all that goes on that we don't even think about just to move our arm or blink or anything. But yeah, that's it. Thanks. See you next week.